Marhaban, welcome to today's video. This is such an interesting episode. If you're new, welcome to my YouTube space. I'm trying to learn Emirati Arabic and document here on my YouTube channel. So if you're interested, join me. There are a lot of videos in my channel as well. You can head over there, check some of them. They are really easy to understand. I believe so. They are easy to understand and they are very short for us to do revision. The purpose of me uploading this video is that whatever I've learned in the past week, I try to upload it here for revision, and also if there is anyone who is interested to learn this Arabic language with me, can join me and learn something. So let's get started in today's video. Habibi, today's video is about revision of the word let me or leave me. In Emirati Arabic, if you want to say let me, you say halni, halni. If you want to say let him, you say halla, halla. If you want to say let her, say hal, ha, hal, ha. Halni habibi. If you want to say, for example, in a sentence, leave me alone. Halni brohi. Halni brohi. That's why I was saying this video is one of those interesting videos because Habibi, it has to come from, you have to be able to pronounce this word. Halni, halni, halha, hal, halha. Hardly, it's really difficult. I've not really mastered that much, but I think my pronunciation is really there. It's almost there. Hardly, halha. Okay, do more practice and let me know in the comment section if you're able to pronounce the word. Okay, so on this video, let's concentrate on the word halni because I don't want to confuse myself using those other words, him or her, which is halha and hala, because they have different way of saying things or referring things if you're using those words. Let's concentrate on one. As I mentioned in my previous video, I said if there is double E at the end of a sentence, that means it's referring to me. Like for example, halni, it says it's referring to me. Let me or leave me. Okay. One of the examples is let me think. Halni a second. Halni a second. Halni a second. Let me think. Another word I would say is let me pray. Halni asali. Halni asali. As you can see, there is halni and then asali, double E at the end. That means it's me. Let me pray. Let me pray. Halni asali. Another example is let me go. Halni asir. Halni asir. For example, let me go to work. Halni asir dawam or sugar. Halni asir dawam or halni asir fil jamia. Halni asir fil jamia. Let me go to the university or college. Okay. And then another one, let me watch. Halni ashuk. Halni ashuk. Like for example, if you're watching a video or your friend is watching a video, you can ask, let me watch. Halni ashuk el video. Halni ashuk el video. Or if it's a picture, halni ashuk el surah. Halni ashuk el surah. Another example is let me search. Search in Arabic is adawar. Halni adawar. Like for example, let me search for a job. For example, halni adawar sugar. Halni adawar sugar. Or let me search for the email. Halni adawar el email. Halni adawar el email. Email in Arabic, you can just say email. This is part of where Arabic comes in. Halni adawar el email. If you want, for example, receipt also is receipt in Emirati Arabic, it's Arabic. Halni adawar receipt. خلني أدور كثير. Another word I can make out of that is let me understand. خلني أفهم. خلني أفهم. خلني أفهم شو اللي صار. Let me understand what happened or what is happening. Let me understand this problem. خلني أفهم هذا مشكلة or مشكل. خلني أفهم مشكل. Is that correct? I don't know. This is just my own sentences, just translating from English to Arabic, but I think I'm almost there. Okay? Another word that is almost similar, let me learn. خلني أتعلم. خلني أتعلم. خلني أتعلم اللغة العربية. Let me learn Arabic language. Or خلني أتعلم اللهجة Emiratiya. Lahja Emiratiya is Emirati dialect. This is Emirati Arabic. خلني أتعلم اللهجة Emiratiya. Accept, which is right. خلني أكتب الإيميل بسرعة. خلني أكتب الإيميل بسرعة. Let me write the email quickly or faster. Okay? And then let me check inside the car. For example, we are looking for the key. خلني أشيك داخل السيارة. خلني أشيك داخل السيارة. Check is أشيك. That is also what we call Arabic or plan in Arabic. So if you are like learning and you're just not interested with like more داخل Arabic, just say normal everyday spoken Arabic. خلني أشيك داخل السيارة. Last but not least, let me help you. خلني أساعدك. خلني أساعدك. For example, let me help to look for the keys. خلني أساعدك دور مفتاحها. خلني أساعدك دور مفتاحها. Let me help you look for a job. خلني أساعدك دور الشغل. خلني أساعدك دور شغل. So you see, if you know some few words, you can just combine this word and put them together to make a sentence. Before I finalize this video, there is one word I just learned before I recorded this video, and that is ergis. Ergis in Arabic is dance. خلني أرقص. خلني أرقص يا حبيبي. خلني أرقص يا حبيبي. خلني أرقص. خلني أرقص. That one I will not forget. Okay? So just to recap, just quickly, خلني is me. Ha is her. Hala is him. Okay? So don't forget those three important words. But today we just learn about you, which is halni. Alright? Don't forget, if you're referring to yourself, there is double E at the end. Okay? Example, just a recap, like a book, kitabi is my book. Kalami is my pen. So guys, that is it for today. See you in the next video. بشوفكم الفيديو الجاي. يلا مع السلامة. خليني أرقص. خليني أرقص. أنا أرقص. أنا أرقص.